Hello, this is Dennis from Smoke Daddy. We're showing today our refrigerator builds. I've had a lot of people asking me questions about that, how to go about doing that. They turn out to make a really nice smoker using our hopper assemblies, our Pellet Pro hopper assemblies. The hopper assembly, when you get it, it'll come along with a meat probe. There'll be a diagram, a little template to show where everything fits for mounting it. The other things you might need, you want to get is some aluminum flashing pieces. I'll show you in a minute how that goes. And some insulation gasketing. Now it'll come along with a nice long probe for monitoring the temperature. And our PID controller works really well for this application. You can set it in 5-degree increments, and it'll hold within 5 degrees. Now let's get over here by these smokers. We just built these two. I mean, they work out great. You just set the hopper into the side here, and the first thing you want to do is make sure you get a refrigerator that is all metal on the inside. You know, and then pull off all the plastic, the doors, the plastic. And then you can use this aluminum flashing to cover those spots. You know, then fabricate your racks in there. You can see here the hopper assemblies in the bottom there. This is where the fire will be. Put a little heat diffuser on top of there. We'll put our other rack and a water pan. So that works real good. We put chimneys. One of the things I recommend is to have at least a 6-inch chimney on the top for some airflow, because they do hold the temperature so well. Now if you want to come around here to the back, one of the things that we've done, you put a vent in the bottom here. I've used that old register vent for your house, put some holes in there, and put a little fan here. That really helps with the airflow, especially at the lower temperatures. You need to get that airflow going through there to keep your temperatures down. The other thing you're going to need is probably a long drill to drill through here for mounting it. The bolts are M6 bolts. You probably want 3.5, maybe 4-inch ones. You have to get those at the hardware store. You know, you want to get a hole saw of some sort for all your venting. The other nice thing with these is that you can mount, our hopper assemblies are universal. You can put them on the right-hand side or the left-hand side. So that makes it works pretty well. The other thing that we've added onto this one is one of our cold smoke generators. If you're looking to add a little extra smoke in there, you can put one of those. And what we use in there, you just start it with some hardwood charcoal. Put a little wood chips in there, wood chunks. You can put a few pellets in there. Light it from the bottom, the little air pump, and it blows the smoke right in there. So we can look inside this one. Same setup, just in reverse. And yeah, it works really well. You get some angle brackets. We use the same trays that were in there from the beginning, but that's it. You know, I had a lot of questions on them. That's kind of a brief rundown on what we need to do to make a nice smoker out of that, out of an old refrigerator. Again, just make sure it's an old refrigerator with metal lining. When you pull the plastic off, just check the insulation, make sure it doesn't burn. Most of them it's all fiberglass, and just cover that up. So with that, thanks for looking. Go start cooking.